and in this we are going to discuss about good eating habits. Okay, see here, you have to eat healthy food every day and follow good eating habits for your good health. And health is our wealth, my dear, because without health we can't enjoy our life. Here, see, the first point is eat at least 5 portions of fruits and vegetables, because this fruits and vegetables cleans our stomach and they are protective food also. Here is the picture of some fruits and vegetables. This is the picture of vegetables. Now next is never skip breakfast. We should never skip breakfast, because breakfast early in the morning we need, and whole night we have taken rest, our stomach is clean early in the morning, and then we need more energy to work the whole day. So we should never skip our breakfast, and breakfast should be, my dear, hygienic. Never eat in a hurry. We should not eat in a hurry. See, and this unhealthy food also we should avoid. Definitely sometimes you eat because you like it, but we should avoid it. Do not eat your last meal too late. Beta, if you are eating late night, what happens? It is not digested properly. So it is told that before sleeping, at least 2 hours before sleeping, we should take our last meal. Do not have too much snacks between meals. Beta, snacks I am showing you. Snacks are usually fried and unhealthy things. So a little bit it is okay, but we should not take it often. Instead of snacks you can take fruits, because that won't harm you. And snacks, this type of fried snacks is harmful for our health. Wash fruits before eating. Definitely you are washing also, and we should wash the fruits or before eating or before cutting. Vegetables also we should wash before cutting. See here, the washing fruits. Now do not play just after eating. What happens, my dear? Just after eating you are telling to your teacher to take to games and sports, but we are not taking. Why? Because food needs to adjust in our stomach, and if we will start jumping and playing and running, it will take time, or maybe our stomach will pain also. That's why it is told not to play just after eating. Do not eat just after playing. This is also same thing. Just after playing we should not eat, and even we should not drink the water just after playing or dancing, because when we are doing the physical work our body is heated, and if we are drinking cold water, heat and cold both imbalances our body. So we should wait for a while. See this picture. Do not eat fried food often. Why we should not eat fried food often? It is harmful for our health. It increases our weight. It is heavy to digest. How much the food is spicy and fried, in a limit, if we are putting spice it's okay, but every day if we are eating too much spicy food, too much fried things, it is harmful for our health. Now see the fried things. Food is precious, do not waste it. Definitely food is very precious, my dear. This is food, water and air. This is very important for our life. Without this we can't survive. See, that's why God has given plant to plant so that we can get fruit. And 3/4 of the earth God has filled with water and filled the whole earth with the air. So we should not have any scarcity of air. But what we people are doing, wasting food, polluting our air, wasting water. So we should never waste the food or water also. Prefer whole meal, bread to white bread. Right now whole meal means brown bread is available in the market. What happens, my dear, we eat the things which is polished or that type of thing which is harmful. Most of the food grains are available in the market polished, which is harmful for our health. So we should eat unpolished food and brown bread in the place of white bread. See, this is the picture of white bread. This is the picture of brown bread. Even brown rice is also available in the market, which is not polished. Drink plenty of water during the day, and sufficient water we should drink, my dear, because water cleans our body. It is very important to digest our food properly. Those who are drinking less water, you will see they are having constipation or that type of problem in their body. Eat neither too much nor too little. Means we should eat according to our body, according to our work. The people who is doing hard work, labor work, they eat more than us. And if we are doing not physical work, mental work, then also we should have sufficient. That was little food and this is much food. This is too much. Oily also. See, these things are very oily. Eat your last meal 2 hours before you go to bed. This already we have discussed that if we eat and sleep, we are having problem to digest our food, but if we are eating last meal 2 hours before going to bed, it is very healthy for us. Drink fresh milk, fresh fruit juices instead of bottled drinks. This I will like to explain you, my dear. If you are drinking fresh fruit, fresh milk, mango shake, banana shake, lassi which is made at home, this money goes to our farmers. If you are drinking this juice, this money goes to our farmer. But if you are drinking the can packets, Coca-Cola, Limca, that goes to another country. And that is not hygienic also, that increases our weight. And these fruit juices, milk, these are hygienic also. So we should always prefer this fresh fruit juices. Avoid eating too many chocolates and fast food. Beta, we are having too many sweet dishes in India, but some children like eating chocolates. That is not good for health. So we should avoid it. Wash your hand before and also after eating. We should wash our hand very nicely before and after eating. See the picture of the washing hand. Eat in a clean plate and at a clean place. My dear, not only clean plate and clean place, cleanliness is important for every aspect of our life. If we are clean, many diseases can't come. We can avoid many diseases. It can't harm us. Because where there is dirt, there only germs spreads. So we should keep on cleaning ourselves. surroundings. Eat at fixed hour. Means sometimes we are eating in the morning, after that night, but no, there should be a fixed hour. After 4 hours, 5 hours, we should put a habit of eating. Eat slowly and chew the food well. Eat slowly. One more point was that eat slowly, and we should chew the food well. If the food is chewed well, it is easily digested. Do not eat stale food. Eat fresh, homemade food. Homemade food is best, my dear, so avoid restaurant food. And in that also use 1/5 part of the food as vegetable and fruits. Now what is your homework? See here. You have to draw, color and label any 5 healthy food. And any 5 fruits also you can draw, milk, vegetables, okay, because these are healthy foods. See, these are some fruits and vegetables. You can draw together also, separately also. Now here are the revision of the previous chapter. Answer this question. Who was the first Indian woman president of the UN General Assembly? And who was the first Indian women president of the UN General Assembly? You know. This question is from chapter 15. And the first Indian woman president of UN General Assembly was Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Next is, who was the first Indian woman chief minister of an Indian state? And the first chief minister of an Indian state was Sucheta Kriplani. Who built the Taj Mahal? And all of you know that Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. In Agra, and this is also one of the 7 wonders of the world. In which state is Stupa of Sanchi located? And in which state is Stupa of Sanchi located, my dear? It is located in Madhya Pradesh. Which monument is dedicated to in the memory of Queen Victoria? And it is Victoria Memorial. Why do animals make sound? To communicate, to talk with each other, or communicate. Which qualities of lion are admired universally? Lion are strong, brave, bold, good looking. These qualities. Who was the founder of Indian National Army? And this is Subhash Chandra Bose. S.C. Bose. Thank you, dear, for watching this video. Hope you all will like this video.